Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we greatly appreciate you. If you've been watching, we appreciate you too as well. We're talking today about aging logs. You know, the good, bad, and ugly. Is it beneficial? Is it not? Well, we're going to learn something today. I'm going to learn something. This is a white ash log. We've sawed some white ash in the past, but it's always been green, and it's gorgeous. I have no idea what time has done to this log. Now, this log has a defect already. There's another little one back there that don't. So we're gonna learn, does this log benefit from aging? Does it change its color? Does it change its characteristics? Is it helpful? So hang on and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. You watched us just take top cut off of it. I got one word, wow. First impressions, this is nice. White ash is normally just white as a sheet. Look at this chocolate color, rose color, all the way down through here. The wood feels good, feels hard as rock. Ash is not a hard wood, but it is a lot harder than your typical softwood. I mean, it feels solid. It's been on the ground, I know, at least a year, laid in the wood somewhere. Let's finish working this out. This may be something to age a piece of white ash and change its characteristics, change its color. It's full of wormholes. I mean, I'm starting to like it. So let's try another cut. Okay guys, you just watched all the footage of us going through and sawing this. I'm a fan. If you can see the colors in it, we got grays, reds, blacks, browns, purples. This stuff is just gorgeous. I don't know if the proper term is spalting, probably is. A lot of woods, as they start to deteriorate, they'll spalt. Like I say, we've never done white ash other than a few green logs. You guys that have white ash a lot in the area, comment. Is this something you see regular? Because we've never seen it before. But I'm a fan, I like it. So, this topic of this video, white ash, is it beneficial to aging? I don't see but a little bit of deterioration in the wood. And you gotta remember, we cut 4 feet off the end of it right at the butt. It was hollow, the tree was rotten, but still 10 foot long. There's 133 board feet here. I'd be proud to put it on my wall. It's gorgeous. So, got any questions, comments, information? You know, Matthew and I like learning something. If you deal with white ash a lot and this is something you see a lot, let us know. You got any other wood species that you hadn't seen? Drop a comment. It might be something we've forgotten. We saw every day, people. Guys, we really appreciate you watching. We appreciate the ones subscribed. We got a lot of you that watch every week that hadn't subscribed. Take the opportunity to click that like button, and next video will pop up. Matthew and Solomon do all our editing. Our videos come out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 5 o'clock Eastern time. Big shout out to Solomon at Third Beard Fishing. If you get a chance, check out his channel as well. As always, Joe Maine, we appreciate those guys at Industrial Cutting Tools. They keep the wheels rolling here. That's going to do it, guys. I can't tell you enough how much we appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.